Today unboxing is on Tarmac Works Hong Kong Mini Car Festival 2020 exclusive, and that's the Morelow RWB 993 in a very unique packaging, the fuel can, together with the Part 64 container display, including a 1000 piece limited edition Lean Customs pin. I ordered another spare from the Tarmac Works website for my collection during the launch on their Webstore. The compact box is based on the tobacco design, and these sets contain a metal oil can and a 1:64 scale model car. Typography and design is based on the tobacco theme. The Tarmacs for Good, which $1 go to the charity. Very interesting oil can. This is their second of such release. One of the very innovative packaging that's going to my display. The design of the oil can itself is similar to the outer box. The cap with the racing number 8 is fully functional, a layer of sponge to protect the casting. And here you are, the very neat RWB 993 Morelow, presented with a standard Hobby 64 display case, same information as the outer box. A very clean and neat RWB 993 with the tobacco theme livery that is very striking. A pair of matching white wheel sets which is very compatible with the RWB. The icon design and the sponsor's logo are very legible in 1/64 scale. What I'm impressed is the clean paint job together with all the small details with the actual car plate that is based in Minnesota. I have no doubt that Tarmac Works did a fantastic job on replicating this RWB in the actual scale of 1:64. Looks even better out of the base. This will no doubt looks fantastic in diecast photography. All the details are on point. Just remember, this is a model car, so all the parts are very fragile, hence to handle with extreme care. Bin low, the wheel set can't roll, and this is a model car meant for display. I do really appreciate all the fine details, and it's money well spent. Plastic base with Tarmac Works logo and standard information. Next, the Morelow pin from Lean Customs, which is the collab and is produced in a very limited number of 1000 pieces. The pins are made of high quality. Lean Customs has integrated pins seamlessly with diecast collection. Behind, official RWB decal with Tarmac Works and Lean Custom IG handle. And once you free up the pin, it will reveal the limited serial number. I'm very happy to add the Lean Customs pin to my small collection of pin design. Next, the RWB Morelow container from Part 64. Outer sleeve is based on the tobacco theme that's consistent with the packaging. A clear display cover and also opaque container cover for your diorama display. One of the perfect medium to display your diecast. Very simple, just remove the catch from your Hobby 64 base and transfer it over to the container display. Whole container is made of plastic with the Morelow, RWB and Tarmac Works marking. Simply slide out the clear display cover and replace it effortlessly with the container cover. Fast free, simple, and looks fantastic in diorama photography. Your RWB can also fit seamlessly into the display. Overall, a very nice event exclusive release from Tarmac Works. I'm very happy to add this Morelow RWB 993 into my model car collection, one of the unique pieces, and looking forward for more exciting release from Tarmac Works in 2021. Stay tuned for more Tarmac Works unboxing, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!